Hello, dear students. Exercise 16th. Prepositions unsolved. Plus 2 class. Children are generally fond of fond of laddus. A drowning man catches at a straw. At a straw. We are now on good terms with each other. On good terms with each other. He has not come to my house for many days. For many days. It is difficult to convince him. To convince him. He knew that he was at fault. At fault. Maharaja Pratap Singh fought tooth and nail against the Mughals. Against the Mughals. Shivaji fought for his motherland. He fell a victim to drinking. To drinking. Her voice is familiar to me. Familiar to me. The child was clinging to his mother. He wrote a letter to his friend. She closed the door after him. After him. Always be kind to children. To children. I am pleased with her. Write in ink. Write in ink. I don't care a fig for him. For him. He ran short of money. We haven't met since last week. Since last week. Her efforts were rewarded with success. Exercise 18th. This book is superior to that. I congratulated her on her success. On her success. He will deliver the mail to you. The postman delivered the letter at my house. At my house. The man was leaning against the wall. against the wall. I will get over the difficulties. Over the difficulties. I wished him a speedy recovery from illness. She takes pride in her beauty. In her beauty. My office is opposite to the post office. I never exempted him. I never exempted him from class. From class. She belongs to a poor family. To a poor family. She belongs to a poor family. Beware of stray dogs. One should never boast of knowledge. He appealed to the public for keeping the area clean. My bed is made of teak wood. I was not angry with her. Mr. Burma is sure of his success. He was anxious about his son's safety. About his son's safety. He believes in fair dealing. I solved the problem without any difficulty. Without any difficulty. We go to office. Why my official car? Why my official car? He works in the factory from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. The boy hid himself behind the tree. He was found sleeping in the class. In the class. His mobile fell into the water tank. Sweets were distributed among the street children. There is a cinema hall in front of his office. The river is flowing above. Above the danger mark. Always hope for the best. Always be positive. in life. Thank you.